Are you constantly getting engine check warning lights on your Indian Challenger? To find out that they are related to cylinder misfires, well, we did. My friend here has a 2022 Indian Challenger that constantly had engine check warning lights intermittently appear. When asking his local dealer for advice, they told him it was fuel related, so he tried using different octane fuels without eliminating the cylinder misfire appearing. Whilst he travelled on his 3-month tour across America, he popped into Hollister Indian dealership, who were able to diagnose his issue. Apparently, there are two causes of cylinder misfires. One, incorrectly seated ignition leads on the spark plug, and the second, shown here. The following example shows that there is a faulty break inside the coil side of the ignition lead. This causes the spark to be weak or non-existent. So, if you are experiencing cylinder misfires, like my friend here, you may want to replace your ignition leads. Thanks to Hollister Indian and the team for all your help.